Example, find the area bounded of the region, area of the region bounded above by y equals e to the x, bounded below by y equals x, and bounded on the sides by x equals 0 and x equals 1. So a lot of times these problems are going to be given to you in terms of words. You need to actually picture the region that you're trying to find the area of. So I always recommend to graph the region, to graph these functions and see which region am I trying to find the area of. So we're looking at, we have y equals e to the x. So that's a function, that's my exponential function. At 0, it's 1. And then after that, it shoots up. Y equals x. Goes through the origin and 1, 1. The picture is probably not going to be big enough, so I'm going to have to zoom in a little. Okay. There. Yeah. And then I'm told that x goes between 0 and 1. So you're only looking between the values x equals 0 and x equals 1. X equals 0 is my y-axis. X equals 1 is this one up here. So the region that I'm interested in is this region right there in the middle of all those graphs. Okay, it's bounded between all of them. All right, so I'm ready to calculate my area. So A, it's the integral. What are my restraints on x? What values am I between? 0 and 1. Okay. And then you have a top function and a bottom function the whole time in this region. If I take my pen and hold it vertically the whole time, which is my top function? E to the x, and what's my bottom one? X. So I'm going to take e to the x, and I'm going to subtract x. Okay. If for some reason you do switch these and put them in the wrong order, you're going to get a negative number for your answer, which won't make sense because area should be positive. So it's telling you put them in the wrong order. Okay. All right, so now let's integrate. The integral of e to the x is what? E to the x. What about x? X squared over 2. And all you got to do is put in your numbers. Always start with the top number. E minus 1/2 minus e to the 0 is 1. So it looks like I get e minus 3/2. And e is 3 point something. 3/2 is 1.5, so that's a positive number. Okay. So again, procedure, we go through, graph your region so you can see what's going on, and that tells you everything you need to know and how to set up the problem. Okay.